Anti-aging home remedy. Time makes all things better, but it fails to do magic to your skin. The process of aging is part of living, but eventually, it catches up with everyone. As time passes, our skin gets damaged and shows signs of aging such as dark spots, wrinkles, and dryness. And here are a number of things that speed up this process. Ever-changing lifestyles is the biggest contributor to premature aging. Eating processed food, alcohol, caffeine, sleep deprivation, lack of exercise and pollution, all these things invite crow's feet, dark circles, and dull skin. The natural aging process causes everyone to develop wrinkles, especially on parts of our body that are exposed to the sun, like the face, neck, hands, and forearms. For most, wrinkles develop between the ages of 40 and 50 as the skin loses moisture and thickness. Genetics also play a big role in the development of wrinkles. But exposure appears to be the biggest cause, especially in people with fair skin. So here is one of the easiest anti-aging home remedy. You will need an aloe vera leaf. What you have to do. 1. Cut open an aloe vera leaf, extract the gel out. 2. Apply this gel to your face and let it stay for 20 minutes. 3. Wash it off with lukewarm water. 4. Storage. Tips to storage next, and repeat this twice a week. Aloe vera extract helps in naturally increasing the production of collagen in the body, which further helps in reducing the visible signs of aging such as fine lines and wrinkles. Collagen helps in decreasing the wrinkles and helps in skin tightening. It also improves the elasticity of skin. Apart from boosting collagen production in the body, it is also a powerhouse of several components, which improve the skin condition as well as the health condition. Aloe vera contains 18 amino acids, B1, B3, B6 and C vitamins that help to fight off free radicals that cause wrinkles. How to storage aloe vera. An aloe vera leaf can be kept refrigerated for a couple weeks and in the freezer in airtight bags for as long as to 8 months. Once the gel extracted from the leaf, aloe vera gel is at its best used right away, but it can be stored on its own in the fridge for 10 days. In the freezer, aloe vera gel can last for a much longer time. Freezing the fresh gel in ice cube trays or ice cube bags and using a cube when needed is the second best after the freshly extracted gel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.